What's up YouTube? This is just going to be a quick little video of what my truck looks like with its new CPP 3.5 drop. I really like the look. The rear's a little lower than I anticipated, but I like it. I'm satisfied with it. If I was hauling stuff more often, I'd go with the 3.4, but this is pretty level as is. What I was really going for was the wheel being centered in the wheel well, and I think this drop achieved that. 3 in the front, 5 in the rear. The only thing I'm going to change, besides installing the adjustable panhard bar and rear shock relocators, it doesn't need them, but I bought them, so I'm going to install them, is that I wish I need the rear wheel to go out probably 1.5 inches, so I'll go a wheel spacer or up the size of the wheel, up the width or something, but that's the only thing, and that looks that way stock too, so it's not just the drop, it's just that I'm more conscious of it now that it's lowered. But yeah, I'm really satisfied with the look. Definitely breathed new life into this truck, and it handles better, looks cooler. What else can I say? Worth the money.